Hi students, how are you? A simple, easiest problems I will give you. Get ready to do it. Our problems are: find the roots of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0, x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Find the roots of these equations using any method your wish. Just use only one method, whatever it may be, either formula method or factorization method or completing the square method. Any one of them you use it and tell me the answers. Okay, first one answer is x values are 2, 3. Second one answer minus 2, minus 2. Roots are real and equal. I think you have done these all things. So here third one is x equal to minus 1 plus root minus 3 by 2. Do you know this? Cube roots of unity, if you know the complex numbers. This also expressed as minus 1 plus root 3i by 2. These are the complex numbers, plus or minus, no? Okay. So these are the roots. What is the nature of these two roots? That are real numbers and unequal. Here, these are the real numbers, but equal. These roots are real and unequal or real and distinct. These roots are real and equal, and these are the complex numbers because it is the combination of real part and imaginary part. So that's why these are the complex numbers conjugates to each other. Do you know conjugates means? Their sum and product must get real number, then that complex numbers are conjugates to each other. See here, one is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, another one is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. Okay, clear. I am asking you one question. Without doing actual process, can you tell me nature of these roots, the nature of the roots of these equations? We can with the help of formula. In fact, here different, here equal, and here conjugates. How did we get? ఇక్కడ ఈ డిఫరెంట్ ఎలా వచ్చాయి, ఈక్వల్ ఎలా, కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ కాంజుగేట్స్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్ అనేది డిసైడ్ చేసే ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటో తెలుసా? డిసైడ్ చేసే టర్మ్ ఏంటో తెలుసా? You have to observe that. So some members, they definitely identified, I think, the students who has used formula method. See now, what is the formula method? X equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Which one is the deciding factor? See, b square minus 4ac is the deciding factor. Observe here, b square minus 4ac is denoted by delta. The delta b square minus 4ac. For first problem, what is the b value? Minus 5 whole square minus 4 into x square coefficient. One constant term 6, that is equal to 25 minus 24, that is equal to 1. Positive you got it for first problem. For first problem you got delta value positive. So interior value is positive. Positive means is it real or imaginary? In a square root you have a positive number, definitely that is a real number, not an imaginary number. What is meant by imaginary number? The square root of a negative numbers are called imaginary numbers. So real value you got it now. Positive. If b square minus 4ac is positive, definitely that is a real number. And you take it a plus, one value will get it, and you take it a minus, one more value you get it. So that's why two roots will get that, definitely distinct, different only. Now second one observe, b square minus 4ac. What is the b value? 4. A 4. So 4 square, 4 4s are 16 minus 60 equal to 0. So you got it, delta value 0 here. So that's why roots are equal, because b square minus 4ac is 0. Root 0 how much? 0. ఈ ఎంటైర్ వాల్యూ ఏమైపోయింది? జీరోనే కదా. దీనిని నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటింగ్ మైనస్ బి బై 2a ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ root b square minus 4ac by 2a. b square minus 4ac value how much? 0. So this entire value is 0. So here you have only one value, that is minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a plus 0, minus b by 2a. Minus b by 2a minus 0, that is also minus b by 2a. So that's why that roots are definitely equal. So that's why you got it minus 2 comma minus 2. And third one you observe, third one. So this is the third one. For third problem you find delta. b square minus 4ac. What is the b value? 1. A 1, C 1. So 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. It is negative. See here, b square minus 4ac negative, then definitely it is a square root minus 3. Square root minus 3 is nothing but that is a imaginary number. So with plus you take it, one number will get minus 1 plus root minus 3 by 2. Another value is minus 1 minus root minus 3 by 2. So that's why here also you got two roots, but those two are conjugates to each other. You know in previous class what is meant by conjugate. Imaginary part, one is plus symbol, another one definitely minus symbol, then that are called conjugates. Then only their sum, you add both, definitely will get real number. Product both, definitely will get real number. That you have done in complex numbers. Okay. Otherwise now you check it, no problem. So without solving these problems, easily we can decide it, their nature, with the help of b square minus 4ac. It is denoted by delta. The delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of quadratic equation. With the help of this, we decide easily the nature of roots. Okay, here observe all coefficients. Here coefficients are must be real numbers. A, B, C belongs to A means x square coefficient, B means B means x coefficient, C means constant term. So in fact in your textbook, in 10th class textbook, not be like this. Simply in your textbook they have given no real roots, because these are not a real numbers, no. It is not a pure real. So real part is there, but it is not a real number. So that's why if delta less than 0, then roots, no real roots. What we call there? No real roots. ఏమని చెప్తాం అక్కడ? No real roots అంటాం. Complex numbers conjugates to each other anam. Okay, just one problem I'm giving you. Get ready to say, my dear students, 2x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What is the nature of these roots? What is the nature? Find out delta. Pause the video and try to do it. After that, check it. b square minus 4ac, b value minus 5, 2, 6 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 6 are 48. Negative. Whatever it may be value, that value is negative. Delta less than 0, then no real roots. What is the nature? No real roots. Otherwise, roots are complex numbers, conjugates to each other.